Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to show you guys how to get a very natural glowy look, especially for oily skin in winters, because our skin gets really tricky, especially during the winters. So I'm going to show you that. But before that, I want to tell you guys that this video is in collaboration with another YouTuber. Her name is Sucharita. I will link her channel in the description box. Her skin is on the drier side, so all you dry skin people can totally check her channel out and her video out and show her some love. If you want to know how to get this healthy glowy skin look, then let's get started with the video. As you guys can see, my skin is pretty, not fine right now. It's super dry with a lot of marks. I'm going to treat that slowly. So today I'm going to use this for moisturizer. This is a new thing in the market. This is the Pond's Light Moisturizer. And I really like it, it didn't break me out. And so good, like it's so moisturizing, especially for my skin right now. It works amazing for, oily and sensitive skin. And I love the fragrance and the color and everything. And this was like very inexpensive, like 109 rupees. So yeah, got it from Nykaa. You can see the instant difference it makes. Hydrated my skin feels, and it doesn't feel greasy at all. I have actually stopped using primer. I'm going to use this one from MAC. This is MAC Prep and Prime Skin Base Visage. I just warm up the product like this and then just go on my face like this. Stop using like poreless and pore filling and all those silicone based primers. I think I saw a video by Stephanie Lang, I think that's how I pronounce her surname. So I think she was talking about that, and then I decided to try it out myself because I don't remember the last time I didn't use a primer prior to this. I have always seen my makeup artist friends not using primers but using a good moisturizing cream on my face. So I wanted to try that. Notice my pores are a lot smaller now, like the size has shrinked, at least their appearance has, and it looks a lot better, like my skin feels more better. So nowadays I only use such primers when it's required. I'm gonna go with a little bit of Fix Plus on my face because we want a very glowy natural look today, and let the Fix Plus be on my face for a while. Comes foundation. I have been using this Maybelline Superstay foundation for a while, and I'm in the shade 310. So with this I'm going to mix this highlighter from YBB Cosmetics. I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C10. This is my highlighting shade, and I have been loving this concealer. So yes, you can see how beautiful the skin already looks, you guys. Winter my skin becomes like weirdly dry. I have sensitive skin which is very oily in summers. So winter what happens is it suddenly becomes dry out of nowhere. This NYX Illuminating Stick. This is in the shade Topaz Tan. This I use as a bronzer, and this works pretty good for me when I want that warm bronzy look. Bit of Bharat & Doris loose powder. It's the shade number 1, and I'm just going to set under my eyes because they're going to crease. Take a little bit of this. With Fix Plus once again. Actually learned this new trick, like applying mist after every powder product. That just makes everything look so much more natural, and I am loving this new technique. If I've ever shown this on camera, but this is by the brand MIB, and this is a macaroon blush. I'm going to use my damn sponge and just apply it. We want a natural look, we don't want anything to look very crazy. With the same sponge, I'm going to go a little bit over the nose and a little bit over my eyes. like this. Next I'm going to take this PAC 393 brush. I'll be taking, you know, these two colors. I'll be mixing these two colors from my Freedom Pro Strobe palette, and I'll be like sort of applying that to my crease area. If you guys are wondering how I did my brows, then I have a full tutorial on that. Oshea Herbals Kajal. I really like this Kajal, and I'm going to like apply it on my waterline. My lashes now. Please check the description box when it comes to my videos, guys. I want to share this little trick with you all for, you know, the natural look. If you're closer to my skin tone or a little darker, then you can just use a kajal and just smudge it out. If you're a little bit lighter than me, you can use brown. Black for me personally, you know, is something that works the best, so I use black, but you can totally use grey or brown. So now comes the star, my current favorite Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. I've been loving this mascara. This is like amazing. The difference, like my both eyes. I love this mascara. Now as a base for my highlighter, I'll be using this Maybelline strobing stick. What I do is I just take it on my hand like this and tap it on my face so that my foundation doesn't move. Like so, a little bit on my nose. With my highlighter I've been loving at the moment, this is the Nykaa Glow Getter in 01 24K Glam, and I actually mix the two shades, you know, on my brush like so, and dust off the excess and go on. This looks so beautiful and so natural, guys, but at the same time blinding. Again, I'll go on with my MAC Fix Plus. While my face is still setting, I'm going to use this lip combo today. This is the PAC Lip Liner in MAUVE. Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, one of my favorite liquid lipsticks. Stays on despite of what you eat, what you do, it just stays on, okay? And this is the color Ruler. They have actually extended this shade range and it's available in India now. That's it for the look. You can see how beautiful my skin looks and how beautiful it looks. It looks so natural, no effort at all. But we know that we have put in a little effort. So I hope you guys really enjoy this, because I love doing this look on myself, and it just, you know, takes care of my skin at the same time because of the procedures that I follow before my makeup. And yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, as well as follow me on all of my socials, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.